Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Jaguar XJ. So first of all, we go to music. This is Apple Music, but if you've got this set right and that site set right, everything that plays, every audio that plays on your mobile should come through the speakers, whether it be Spotify, Prime Music, Apple, YouTube soundtrack, anything like that should play through the speakers. So if you look at the bottom there, you'll see Jaguar XJ. If I click on that, you've got a choice between iPhone and XJ. If there wasn't a tick there, for instance, and it was there, you'd just, well, I'll just show you, you just do that. And that's Jaguar XJ. Anything now, when I play this, it will play through here. I'll just put it on pause for a second. What we need to do, we need to go over here. You've got phone, nav, menu. Now, if I go to menu, you've got audio settings, audio and video, audio, video. Then click on source and the plus, that gives you your options. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Now I can't help myself, it should be playing. If I turn this up, that's it, that's how you stream audio.